This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application, which is essential for managing your crypto assets. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to begin the initial setup process for your hardware wallet. This ensures your device is ready for secure use. The most critical step is securing your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key to all your crypto assets, so write it down precisely on the provided recovery sheet. Double-check every word for accuracy. After writing it, the device will prompt you to verify it by re-entering the words. Finally, store this sheet in an extremely secure, private, and preferably fireproof location, away from your device itself. Never share it with anyone. Now that your device is secure, you can install cryptocurrency applications. Open Ledger Live, navigate to the Manager section, and select the specific crypto apps you want, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Install them directly onto your Ledger Nano S. To ensure everything works correctly, always perform a small test transaction first. Send a tiny amount of cryptocurrency to your Ledger address, and confirm its successful receipt in Ledger Live before sending larger sums. Maintaining ongoing security is vital. Always verify all transaction details, including the recipient address and amount, directly on your Ledger Nano S screen before confirming. Regularly update your device's firmware using Ledger Live to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Remember, your 24-word recovery phrase and your PIN are for your eyes only. Never share them with anyone, and be wary of phishing attempts or suspicious links. Stay safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.